Alright, just want to show you my little GoPro Hero camera setup that I'll be using on my boat when we go on our fishing trips. I got two little GoPro Hero cameras here, and what I've done is taken the back cover off of the cameras, got inside and tapped into the locations where the power mode button are, and for the microphone, actually removed the internal microphones on the cameras and ran wires outside. I've got a 4-pin servo connected on both of my cameras here, and got all that wired into a Safari2 Camera Controller. Got all that mounted inside this little watertight box. The PVC pipe up here is housing my external amped microphones. I got one on either side here, and this little box will sit on my console of my boat and have one mic pointed toward the back, one toward the front. Same way with the cameras, I'm going to have one facing back and one facing front so I can get all the action. Inside the box, let me get this open here. My external microphones are powered by a 9-volt battery, and I got 3 AA's down inside that are powering my control board. Control board, as I said, is a Safari2 with a MOSFET Opto backpacker that I'm only using the MOSFET on. And to trigger everything, I used a vibration alarm, and I removed the circuit board from it and tapped into the power locations and the pin that comes off the IC that would activate the PIR circuit on the Safari2 board. The whole thing works off of a little remote key fob, and that will allow me to have my cameras on my boat position where I want them at, and they won't have to run all the time. I can activate them to come on and go off as needed with the little key fob. So I'm going to turn my control board on, have a toggle switch over on the side, turn it on, and now whenever I get ready to start video, all I have to do is press the lock button on this little key fob, and it will activate my cameras, and you'll see that in just a moment. But once I press that, then I have to press the unlock button so it would deactivate that vibration alarm. Otherwise, the boat rocking and things like that, it would continuously have my cameras coming on and off. So anyway, I pressed the lock button, and now my cameras will come on, and both of the GoPros are now recording video, and they're picking up amplified audio with the amp mics that I have connected to them. And to stop video, then all I have to do is press my little key fob button again, and now both cameras are cutting off. So now I can have 2 cameras operating simultaneously, getting action from front end and back of the boat, and all I got to use is this little key fob to control them. So I think that's going to make me a nice little setup, and I'm going to enjoy doing that. Much better than trying to hold the camera in one hand and get the action shots and trying to fish or get a net of fish up while holding the camera. Now I can do a hands-free operation because I'm planning on having a little remote key fob on a lanyard around my neck. Alright, so I just wanted to show you that.